My name is Kevin Ariola, and I'm going to show you the top 10 things in my garage. All right, so for number 1, we have the FLEXIMOUNT GL1. So now you're going to say, what's this going to sit on? Okay, so lucky for you guys, this is a bonus. It's a nesting table. And we just slide that right under here. And then we continue to lower this, and I'm just going to push it forward a little. Just a little. Okay. That way I can open up my cabinets. And what you're seeing here is a workbench. Before we start, we got to plug it in. And you can see how this is built. A bar with some mesh. And to make it a good flat top, I just put some used plywood on top. Just so I can, bolt down some things. And these are 2 cables. When installing the rope deck frame, ensure wire ropes are not tangled. So yeah, I just put a little zip tie here because sometimes one will be looser than the other. And then these things wind up at the same time. So you have 2 for safety, and it's connected to a pulley back to the other side. Forgot to mention, this is a 4x4 base, 4 feet by 4 feet, and it can support up to 300 pounds. Okay, so this is my chop saw. You can make 45 cuts, rotate it 90 cuts. This is a Evolution, so it does wood and metal. So hold it down. Right, and then I have a brush here. Just get the trash can, get all your chips. Put this back. Lock that down. This side, very basic. You just have a wire wheel and a grinder wheel. And then we also have the sander. Gotta clean that off. Anyways, on and off. Works really well to take off material, especially with 60 grit. So let's say you're done with your FLEXIMOUNT GL1 workstation and you want to put it away. Well, you do everything in reverse. So instead of loosen on your drill, you go to tighten. And then for me, put it on the lower torque setting so the drill doesn't struggle and smoke. All right, so make sure everything's clear because we're about to bring it up with the plug still plugged in. I like to slow down when I know I'm getting to the top. Okay, and loosen your drill. I'm going to show you this lock mechanism. There you go, not going anywhere. Here it is, stowed away. It tucks away nicely up against the roof. So let's say you don't have a drill or your drill's dead. Well, there's actually an attachment here, and this is what originally comes with it. And then you just spin it. It's got a good amount of leverage, which I did do this a couple times and it's pretty easy.